Welcome to MetaMask versus Trezor One. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are included in the description for easy access. In this video, we'll compare the features, use cases, and security of MetaMask and Trezor One, helping you determine which wallet suits your needs. MetaMask is a software wallet available as a browser extension and mobile app designed for managing Ethereum and other compatible blockchain assets. It excels in connecting users to the Web3 ecosystem, including dApps, NFT platforms, and DeFi protocols. MetaMask's built-in token swapping feature, ease of use, and compatibility with multiple networks make it a favorite among everyday crypto users and developers. However, being a hot wallet, it's susceptible to online threats, so users must prioritize safe practices, such as securing private keys and avoiding phishing attempts. MetaMask is perfect for users who frequently interact with Ethereum-based tools or are deeply involved in DeFi and NFTs. Trezor One, in contrast, is a hardware wallet, offering one of the highest levels of security for cryptocurrency storage. Designed for long-term investors and security-focused users, Trezor One stores private keys offline, making it nearly immune to hacking attempts. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and allows users to sign transactions securely through its companion software, Trezor Suite, or integrations like MetaMask itself. While it lacks the native dApp browser functionality of MetaMask, Trezor One compensates with its robust protection against phishing and malware. The physical device requires confirmation for every transaction, ensuring full control over asset management. The choice between MetaMask and Trezor One depends largely on your priorities. If you're an active participant in the Web3 ecosystem and prioritize convenience, MetaMask is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if security and long-term storage are your main concerns, Trezor One is the safer option. Both wallets can even complement each other, as Trezor integrates with MetaMask for added security in daily interactions. Explore both options using the links below, and share which wallet fits your needs best in the comments.